हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाला था।
Hello, 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 and a very warm welcome, Renu, Ankita, Jyoti, and Abdullah. Thank you for joining in. And today we are going to read about Motivate Yourself into Action from this amazing book, Eat That Frog
That's
by
rock.
Brian Tracy. And let me quickly share the PDF with each one of you so that you also can read along with me. All right. Motivate yourself into action. It is in the compelling zest of high adventure and of victory and of creative action that man finds his supreme joy. Isn't that amazing? कि हम जब तक अपने हाईएस्ट पोटेंशियल पे नहीं जाके काम करते तब तक इट इज नॉट it that is something that brings extreme joy to us. To perform at your best, you must become your own personal cheerleader. You must develop a routine of coaching yourself and encouraging yourself
Helping
to
myself to
play at the
play
top of
the
your
top of your game.
game. So, how many of us actually, in fact, being in this industry, being in the self development area of life, we all know that if we are not the cheerleaders for our own selves, who is going to be, right? So, let's be the cheerleaders for ourselves, coach ourselves every single day, and see how does the game starts changing. Most of your emotions, positive or negative, are determined by how you talk to yourself on a minute to minute basis. It is not what happens to you, but the way that you interpret the things that are happening to you that determines how you feel. It is your version of events that largely determines whether they motivate or demotivate you, whether they energize or de energize you. कितनी बार होता है दिन में कि वी टॉक नेगेटिवली टू आवर ओन सेल्स, किसी ने हमारे को कुछ बोल दिया येट वी हम उनकी बात को लेके वी कीप ऑन टेलिंग अ न्यू स्टोरी इन मेकिंग अप द स्टोरीज इन आवर हेड एंड कीप ऑन टेलिंग आवरसेल्व्स कि हाँ तू तो ऐसी ही है, तू तो ऐसी ही है, तू तो ऐसी ही है. एंड विद दैट व्हाट हैपेंस, आप जो भी आपका काम करने वाला होता है यू डिले ऑन दैट, you keep thinking low about yourself, bad about yourself. That is de-energizing your own self. You get demotivated by doing nothing. To keep yourself motivated, you must resolve to become a complete optimist. You must determine to respond positively to the words, actions, and reactions of the people and situations around you. You must refuse to let the unavoidable difficulties and setbacks of daily life affect your mood or emotions. So many people come in this room and they tell कि यार उसने मुझको ये बोल दिया जिसकी वजह से मेरा तो मूड खराब हो गया and I could not do this. And yesterday also I was telling who was there in the group, I think चलो जो भी थे, there was this person who said that मेरा मूड की वजह से, so your mood should not determine your actions. Your schedule should be deciding whatever actions you are going to take in the day. If you have penned down three things that you want to do in the day, it does not matter what goes up and down in your mood, what happens around in your family. Those three things should and must happen before you hit the bed. Any shares as of now here, till here, ki you want to share anything from your own life or you have any questions?
Only one thing,
Hmm.
how to overcome that. Yes, my mood depends, really. You know me, Karishma. That's why I'm not able to do what you said me to do, right? And that was affecting me a lot, external factor. Because of that, my mood went down and I couldn't complete my work on time.
You had to
Till
start.
now, till now, I am procrastinating on that thing. But means taking that, want to take that, you know, just take the action on it. So, how to overcome that
It is a choice that you make every
every
single
day?
minute of the day.
Okay.
It is a choice that you make कि आपको puppet बनना है कि if you want to take full responsibility of your life. Do you want to be the TV channel who keeps on moving around by every click? मेरे हस्बैंड ने ये बोल दिया तो मैं आज रो रही हूँ, मेरे हस्बैंड ने बोल दिया तो मैं हंस रही हूँ, मेरे बेटे ने ये बोल दिया तो मैं आज डिप्रेस हो गई हूँ, और आज मेरे बेटी ने ये कर दिया तो मैं ऐसा फील कर रही हूँ। दिस इट यू cannot succeed in life if you keep your energy in that zone. If you keep on acting as per the response and reactions and words of people around you. You have to make sure that you make yourself strong enough. I always keep on telling you, have a shower in around you, which reflects back all the negativity and takes in all the positivity. Right? Let's hear it from others in the room. What do they suggest? Ki kya karna chahiye? What should Renu be doing? Let's start with Ankita, since she has the camera on.
Renu said she gets affected by people, right? So, like you rightly said, you have the remote control of your own life. You cannot let people take that remote from you. And whenever you feel that they've taken the remote from you, ideally just snatch it back from them and say, this is my life. I have the control of my life in my own hands. And put, you can, put any channel on it, which is of happiness, joy, and sorrow and everything. So why choose sorrow or sadness or grief or procrastination? Why not choose the channels which only depict happiness, joy, gratitude, mindfulness? So ideally, I would just suggest play around with it whenever something like this happens. If you are in front of your husband and if he said something to you and you just don't like it, rather than reacting, just be still. Act as if you're taking a remote from his hand and hold it in your hand and put the channel of happiness and just think of 3 things that you're grateful to him for, and you will see an instant shift in your mind, and just move on.
This is beautiful.
That's what I do.
Beautiful. Wow. Let's hear it from Shruti.
Karishma?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I would like to say here, for this, first of all, we have to be, till the time we are getting affected by husband or our environment or people, this is the biggest defeat for us, right? Because these things you are not able to control. You cannot control anything like that. We can only control ourselves. And just think, you have a bigger goals. But what are you thinking about? He said this petty things to me. My mother-in-law said, my husband said, my children said. What the hell are we talking about here? There is not nothing worse than this. We have, main thing is that awareness and consciousness. We have to be aware and conscious what we do want from our life, our goals, objectives. What is the main thing? Keep main thing as a main thing. Don't keep, petty things as a main thing. Because if we will keep इसने ये कहा उसने वो कहा तो हमारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, जो और उसको तो मजा आएगा यार. हम विक्टिम बनेंगे, विक्टिम बनाने में सबको मजा आता है, उनको मजा आता है वो. देखो, बिकॉज अगर वो सच में कॉन्शियस है तो हमें उस लोअर सेल्फ में ले नहीं जाएगा. कोई भी बंदा अगर हमें लोअर सेल्फ में ले जा रहा है तो दिस इज द, आई विल से कि आई एम सॉरी, वो कोई भी है, रिलेटिव्स है, हस्बैंड है, वाइफ है, जो भी है, वो टॉक्सिक है. ठीक है, तो जब वो काम कूल हो ना तो उसको अपनी बाउंड्री सेट करो. देखो, तुम मुझसे ये बात कर सकते हो, ये नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है ना? Set your boundaries. Until you will not set boundaries, this will happen again and again. For example, if I am in lecture or if I am doing on web, if I am on sitting on my Zoom or lecture, nobody has dared to come to me at my family. उनको पता है अभी कुछ ये लेने वाली नहीं है, कुछ सुनने वाली नहीं है, भाई इसका काम हो जाने दो. तो वो बाउंड्री सेट किया. इतनी आसानी से नहीं होती है, I understand, but if you want to become a public personality or if you are doing something for yourself, you have to take stand for your, because I will say only one thing, that consciousness and awareness. कौन spoil कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. मतलब मैंने तो इस resolution literally do's and don'ts was banned. उसमें भी toxicity can come from anywhere. अगर मैंने find out किया तो फिर तू गया. That's all.
Wonderful.
You have to be very much cautious. This will only happen with your effort. Goes to you.
Abdullah is also ready to share something with you, Renu.
Yes,
Let's hear
Abdullah,
Abdullah.
नहीं, यस मेरी आवाज
Cracking.
हाँ चलो वेरी नाइस। मैं ना थोड़ा सा ऑक्यूपाइड था। क्या सवाल चल रहा? व्हाट आई एम सपोज टू शेयर, एक बार बताना।
Environment is affecting the mood, and hence she is not able to take actions. We are helping her with the solutions that we can suggest her.
अच्छा, इस पे इन्वायरमेंट एज इन द वैसा फिजिकल, जो आसपास का, जैसे दीवार क्या है, सामान क्या है, या फिर घर वाला इन्वायरमेंट, लोगों
हस्बैंड,
का इन्वायरमेंट?
बच्चे, हस्बैंड ने कुछ बोल दिया, बच्चों ने कुछ बोल दिया, कि मदर इन लॉ ने कुछ कह दिया, तो दैट अफेक्ट्स द मूड ऑफ अ वुमन. And in that case, if she wants to do something and she keeps on procrastinating on it, how can she overcome it?
Got it. Okay. So वन ऑफ द थिंग इज ऑब्वियसली यार कि आप इन्वायरमेंट चेंज कर लो, या दूसरा है कि अपनी एनर्जीज को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लो, तो वो चीज़ अफेक्ट नहीं करती है। तो मैं दूसरा वाला करता हूँ। तो आई एम ऑल्सो अ फादर ऑफ अ 2 महीने की डॉटर। ठीक है, ठीक है। तो घर में चलता रहता है। द थिंग इज दैट व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड, आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू शेयर विद यू व्हिच हैज वर्कड फॉर मी। सो आई हैव लर्नड दैट if you are physically fit, then 40% of your life is into your control. If you're mentally fit, then 60% of your life is in your control. But if you energetically fit, then 100% life comes into your control.
Wow.
So what is this energetically fit? Means that जो आपकी बॉडी में एनर्जी, ऊर्जा चल रही है, अगर वो इतनी शील्डेड हो जाए कि कुछ भी हो रहा है आप फोकस्ड हो, ठीक है, तो वो बाहर जो चल रहा है उसका इंटरनली कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा। ठीक है। So for that I have been doing a lot of practices of chanting, ठीक है, of different chants I started, and it has worked to me like wonders. ठीक है। One of the chant is simple Maha Mantra, Om Namah Shivaya chant is a very beautiful chant. So if you just do that with full intensity, the fear and the effect, the effect, the impact that you get out of the physical environment, it does not work. You are like chill, ठीक है, आप हंस मुख के निकाल दोगे। सो आई फील हम लोगों को सबको पता है कि रिएक्ट नहीं करना है, लेकिन बॉडी का एनर्जी इस तरीके से बिल्ड नहीं है, हमें जानते हुए भी हम रिएक्ट कर देते हैं उस चीजों पे। ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस। हमें भी पता है कि यार वी हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड, वी डोंट हैव टू रिएक्ट, वी ऑल नो ऑल दिस बुक थिंग, बट व्हेन द एक्चुअल सिचुएशन हैपेंस वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक चार्ज ऑफ दैट। It does not mean that you do not want to take charge of that. आप करना चाहते हो, but your energy system are not so much vibrant that it is making you happen, letting that happen. अभी जैसे मेरे मल्टीपल वेंचर्स हैं, घर भी है, वाइफ भी है, बच्चे भी हैं, मम्मी पापा भी हैं, पूरी जॉइंट फैमिली है, दिल्ली में हम लोग रहते हैं, तो बहुत क्योस आता है। तो क्योस तो आएगा भाई, तो आई फील उसको किस किस को बोलोगे, दैट इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग। तो फिक्स इट इनसाइड टू डिफरेंट साधनास एंड प्रैक्टिसेस, इट वर्क्स। तो मैं ऐसे करता हूँ।
जिस चीज के ऊपर सबसे ज्यादा विश्वास हो वो चैंट करना शुरू कर दो। मे बी बिकॉज माय हस्बैंड ही डज हनुमान चालीसा। वो
हाँ,
कहते हैं उसको
बिल्कुल सही
करके
बात है।
बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ आती
हाँ,
है।
तो the beautiful part is that the chant chooses you. You do not choose the chant choose you. So when you will,
Actually, I also do the chant. I do 3 chants.
यानी chant
At
तो ऐसा
least,
चलता है।
and sometimes, I do 16 rounds. If I am in so much, time and all, then I do 16 rounds.
आप लोग दिल्ली में रहते हो?
यस, आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली।
हाँ, तो दिल्ली
I'm in
में
Mumbai.
ना, मुंबई में, दिल्ली में एक छतरपुर में वो है ईशा फाउंडेशन का आश्रम है छोटा सा, वहाँ पे भैरवी टेम्पल है। तो भैरवी टेम्पल में चैंट चलता है। तो हर एकादशी वाले दिन मैं 12 घंटे का चैंट करता हूँ नॉन स्टॉप। ठीक है, बस बीच में थोड़ा सा जूस का उसका ब्रेक होता है, क्या बोलते हैं, ऐश गार्ड जूस का ब्रेक होता है वो।
वाओ।
तो हाँ बस, तो वो ना थोड़ा इंटेंसिफाई करके करोगे तो हो जाएगा। रेस्ट इज इट विल वर्क।
Lovely. Very lovely. More power to you, Abdullah.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Let's hear it from Natural Days Wellness. What's your good name, please? Would you like to suggest something to Renu? Or maybe actually we all are learning here, so for all of us. All right. Control
Actually,
your.
one more thing I would like to add here. If somebody in family they are criticizing or castigating, we have to also check for once whether is there my mistake also? Because sometimes it happens, we are mistaken and we are not cautious with that. Okay, if it is there, then we should take the feedback and remove it, right? Because just imagine कोई पैसे दे के आपको बताता आपने क्या गलती की है, आपको फ्री में कोई बोल रहा है, तो थोड़ा हमें चेक करना चाहिए. ऐसा भी नहीं कि ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट रहें और हम लोगों के लिए प्रॉब्लम बन रहे हैं और हमें लग रहा है वो हमारे लिए है. नेवर बिकम द सेम टू योर फैमिली.
And Renu, we have discussed this extensively last night while we were reading The Courage to be Disliked. So, channelize your energy. Control your inner dialogue. Your level of self-esteem, how much you like and respect yourself, is central to your levels of motivation and persistence. You should talk to yourself positively all the time to boost your self-esteem. Say things like, I like myself over and over until you begin to believe it and behave like a person with a high performance personality. To keep yourself motivated and to overcome feelings of doubt and fear, continually tell yourself, I can do it, I can do it. When people ask you, how are you? Always tell them, I am terrific. No matter how you really feel at the moment or what is happening in your life, resolve to remain cheerful and upbeat. As Viktor Frankl wrote in his best-selling book, Lego Therapy, the last great freedom of mankind is the freedom to choose your attitude under any set of external conditions. Refuse to complain about your problems. Keep them to yourself. As speaker, humorist Ed Foreman says, you should never share your problems with others because 80% of people don't care about them anyway. And the other 20% are kind of glad that you have got them in the first place. All right. So, how many of you have heard कि हमारे को affirmations करनी चाहिए, we should set the tone of the day, we should be doing this and that, and, you know, have a good inner chatter. All of us have heard it, right? We can make an effort to do it consciously. And it is said that जब हमारा subconscious mind उस चीज को मान लेता है जो हम consciously बोलते जा रहे हैं, I am a massive action taker, I am a massive action taker, then only it actually starts happening. And then your subconscious mind attracts things to make things happen for you. It gives you all the opportunities. It gives you all the new ideas. How can you bring such things happen in your life? How can you be a massive action taker, for example? All right. On that note, let's hear it from you, Renu. What can you do? How do you do it? And what, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Yes, वैसे I am action oriented person, but few days only it's procrastination is there. But as you said, always be a self motivator that I practice daily. And in the morning, we did that 12-week challenge, and I'm continuing that only daily.
That's amazing.
Daily, yes, daily I do. Whatever happens, I do it. कि I have other means I do affirmations, and accordingly I do my thing. And बस उसके बाद मैं कभी-कभी I just stop myself. I've done my bit. I've done my bit. Now I don't want to do it.
Are you using the affirmation deck that I created for you guys?
Yes.
And is it
I do. Yes, a lot.
Set the
A
tone.
lot. Yes, it is setting a tone for me every day, every different angle, and it is resonating also daily for me
That's
because
what
of
my
the
daughter told
challenges
me.
and everything. Yes.
That's what my daughter told me as well. She's in Canada and वो हर रोज एक निकालती है and she's like, मम्मी आज तो सच्ची में मैं यही सोच रही थी, and you know what? सच्ची मेरा तो यही
Same.
question का. And I'm
Same.
like, wow.
And you get that answer from that only deck also. And obviously, whatever I feel, I affirm, and gradually changes happens.
Wonderful. Let's hear it from you, Abdullah.
I missed the. Okay, one second. Yes, I missed the exact question. What was the question?
You always miss out on the question. Why is it?
Because
You're
I
doing
get so
something
engrossed.
else.
Because I get so engrossed in the conversation that was happening. So मुझे बात तो याद रहेगी, मुझे क्वेश्चन याद नहीं रहा है.
So we were talking about the inner chatter. So we have read about how we should develop, we should control your inner dialogue. That is the inner chatter.
हाँ याद आ गया. हाँ. Yes, yes. So my take is a little different on this. I always say कि like I'll give you an example. So let's say you are driving a Maruti Suzuki car and you are saying भाई इसको जरा स्पीड से भगाओ, BMW की तरह भागे. तो how fast, however you accelerate on that, or however how hard you push onto the acceleration pedal, it is not going to happen because the system is not designed like that. तो you cannot say कि अरे भाई चल क्यों नहीं रही है मारुति सुजुकी BMW की तरह क्यों नहीं भाग रही है. तो similarly, when we are there and the chatter is happening and inner dialogue is happening, I feel again this thing कि you have not done the inner work on a very deeper level. So I feel like a person who is having a lot of chatter, one of the way that has worked for a lot of people and me as well is a lot of meditation. Okay, it keeps you very calm. It just uh, take you different. So yes, you are very right. It could be different for different individual. तो I have like experience कि उसको बोलोगे ना कि तू चैट मत कर, चैटर मत कर, वो मानता नहीं है. ठीक है, उसको थोड़ा उसका लुब्रिकेशन आता है फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. तो आई फील मेरे लिए मेडिटेशन काम किया है वहां पे, एंड फॉर अदर पीपल इट विल बी डिफरेंट. तो उसको अपने इंजन को उसकी तरह बनाना पड़ेगा तो वो रुक जाएगा. तो ऐसा. सो
Do
दिस
you
इज व्हाट
want
आई.
to say that we have to bring an identity shift while working on yourselves?
100%. तो आपने जो बोला ना अभी इस किताब में जो लिखा आपने कि हम उस एक चीज को बार बार बोलते रहे तब तक वो माइंड मान नहीं लेता है. इट इज वेरी ट्रू. सो इनर चैटर जब चल रहा है ना तो एमएमआई में जैसे वो था ना, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग. तो उसको रोका और उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया. क्या जैसे अभी क्या होता है ना, आई टेल यू ना एग्जांपल. तो पहले मेरे काम में क्या होता था ना, मुझे थोड़े से क्लाइंट्स आते थे ना तो मैं ऐसा सोचता था अरे यार खाना पीना ही तो है, बस इतना क्या आराम से काम करना, इतना लोड क्या है. तो मैं तो आई वॉज वेन एवर द लक्ष्मी वॉज कमिंग इन टू माई लाइफ आई वुड इमीडिएटली चैटर वुड स्टार्ट कि अरे यार चल बढ़िया है, इस महीने का अच्छा, इट्स गोइंग गुड. एंड आई रियलाइज कि आफ्टर सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम द यूनिवर्स स्टॉप गिविंग दैट टू मी. ठीक है. तो वो उतना ही देता था मुझे जितना मेरे पास, जितना मैं संतुष्ट हो जाता था. ठीक है. तो मेरा चैटर क्या था उस समय पे कि अरे यार इस महीने इतने लोग, इतने अपने पास लोग आ गए, इतना रेवेन्यू हम लोगों ने कर दिया. तो मुझे एक सेटिस्फेक्शन कॉम्प्लेसेंसी फील होता था सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे. ठीक है. और जब वो फील होता था सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे कॉम्प्लेसेंसी, तो नेचुरली मेरे एफर्ट्स या मेरा एक्शन फिर मोर वेलकमिंग नहीं होता था नई चीजों की तरफ. तो मैं तो व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग एंड इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग आई थॉट यार ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. तो मुझे समझ में आया कि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ब्लॉक है इसको लेके कि मैं रुक जाता हूँ, मैं बहुत जल्दी सेटिस्फाइड हो जाता हूँ. तो अब मैंने उस चैटर को जैसे आपने बोला नए चैटर से रिप्लेस किया. तो जैसे कल मैंने हाई टिकट पिच किया तो बहुत सारे लोग आए. तो मुझे मन ऐसा गया कि यार इट्स गुड. ठीक है. बट मैंने कहा भाई इट्स नॉट गुड. ठीक है. इट्स नथिंग. ठीक है. इट्स मिनिस्क्यूल ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन अचीव. स्टॉप इट. ठीक है. और देन आई रिप्लेस दैट विद अरे अभी तो बहुत करना है, अभी तो बहुत करना है, अभी तो बहुत आएगा, अभी तो बहुत करना है.
What role does it play when they say that the more you are grateful for anything, the more universe conspires to give you?
सो आई टेल यू दिस अ वेरी थिन लाइन ऑफ डिफरेंस ओवर हियर जो लोगों में चली जाती है. जब हम बहुत ज्यादा ग्रेटफुल हो जाते हैं ना और होते हैं तो सबकॉन्शियसली उसके साथ एक कॉम्प्लेसेंसी भी आता है पीछे. ठीक है. इट कम्स अप. तो आप बोलोगे ना थैंक यू सो मच गॉड, थैंक यू सो मच गिवन मी अ लॉट. सबकॉन्शियसली कॉम्प्लेसेंसी भी आ रहा है कि आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. वो आता है नेचुरली. ठीक है. अब मुझे नहीं पता कितनों को आता है, मुझे आता है. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच कॉन्शियस कि वो कॉम्प्लेसेंसी कितना आ रहा है. तो there are two dimensions over here. एक है thank you so much God, you have given me a lot and I have to achieve still bigger things and go push my limits. So this is another way. ठीक है. तो this is what I feel. It works, but you have to be conscious of the complacency that might takes you in.
This is a beautiful reflection. Thank you so much, Abdullah.
Thank you so much.
Let's hear it from you, Jyoti.
Yes. For here, I'll say we have to reflect ourselves. If we plan something great, okay, for example, you want to do business, or we set our goals and we want to achieve. Why this inner chatter comes in a form of little voice and negative voice somewhere? Okay, why it does not come opposite? You can do it. Just do it. Everybody, many people has done. They have nothing. They have started from crash. No, वो वाला नहीं आता.
नहीं नहीं,
आता
कई
है
लोगों
कि
को
हम
वो
इतना
भी आता है.
lack limitation
Hmm.
कैसे
It's not that. Some people do get that,
No.
and that's why they are the massive action takers. And the
But they've
worst part is the
trained their
next
Yes,
mind
I'm
to do it
telling
that
them.
way so that they get the positive chatter. It does. See, Jyoti is right. It doesn't come at the first go. So it's usually the negative chatter. When you train it, I think the positive starts helping you and positive starts coming. There'll be few who जिनको automatic होता होगा कि it starts with the positive ones, but I think it's usually the negative which starts because you have that monkey who's always chattering and going blah 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 blah. ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा.
And then
And that's why
because we are on this self development journey, हमको पता है कि इसको shift करना है भाई, चल उस
shift
तरफ.
करना है. Exactly. We'll be able to do it. अगर सारे करने हमारे कोचेस भी करने लग गए तो फिर हमारा वो प्रॉब्लम होगा. But otherwise, no. Genuinely, I think it's you have to train your mind. Everybody needs to just train your mind, and the monkey will keep chattering. And जैसे Abdullah also said, meditation helps the maximum. But उसमें भी कहते हैं when you meditating, when you think जो आप गाइडेड मेडिटेशन या कुछ भी कर रहे हो तब भी वो मंकी चाटा कर रहा होता है. आई रिमेम्बर वन ऑफ माय mentors or coach जिनसे मैं कोई meditation we were learning, so she used to say let the monkey chatter, let it come back, let it go, let it come back, don't stop it. When you stop it, you are being very strict on yourself and strict on that monkey, so don't do that. And when it comes, say thank you and then go back to your breathing, go back to your breathing, so go back
Yes,
to your
yes,
breathing.
yes, yes, yes.
पता है
So
होता क्या है, जैसे पेंडुलम होता है, अगर आप पेंडुलम को पकड़ लोगे तो वो तेज की आएगा. And that is
Hmm.
exactly what happens with our
yeah,
thoughts. You
so we
hold
can't
them.
stop them, but we say thank you, and then we start
Obviously.
concentrating on our breathing, because meditation is nothing more than your breathing. So when you focus on your breath, it just beautifully clears that thought. And then it's again train the monkey, fake it till you make it. Affirmation se kya hai? You faking it till you make it. I am a winner, I am a winner, I am a winner, I am a go-getter, I'm a go-getter. You training your mind, you training your subconscious.
I would like to add fake it till it make it. For we hear stranger secret in the world. There is one line when Dorothy decided some goal and she said, then I decided there is nothing which can be come into between me and my goal. Means she was 100% sure she is going to accomplish it. Right. So this is very beautiful line. We have to take care of that. Don't keep even 1% of doubt. If but अगर नहीं हुआ तो मत सोचो. वो तुम
Yes,
बोलते
yes.
हैं 99% faith and 1% doubt is equal to 100% failure.
Exactly.
100% faith is equal to 100% success.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
ये ना
Shall
the
also
magic of
100%.
thinking big
वो
में भी
half
लिखा है.
heartedly नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
हाँ.
वो half
David
heartedly
by
नहीं
David J.
चलेगा.
Schwartz. David
Action
J.
हो,
Schwartz.
फिर आप पूरा लग जाओ.
हाँ,
बची
हाँ
बात
जी.
चैटर की. ध्यान दो, कुछ भी हो जाए चैटर हमेशा होगा. नेगेटिव चैटर्स आएंगे, ऐसा नहीं साधु महात्मा को नहीं आते हैं. अब क्योंकि वो हमारा ना स्वभाव है हमारा. जैसे हमारे बात पित्त कफ ये थोड़ी बहुत लंबी जर्नी है. उसके हिसाब से भी मेरा मूड और सब कुछ स्विंग होता है. बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट हैबिट्स. अगर हमने हैबिट्स अच्छी चीजों की बहुत अच्छे से कर ली तब नहीं आएंगे और चीजें सेटल होती जाएंगी विद ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम. राइट.
100%.
और अगर आता है तो तुरंत शिफ्ट करो चैनल को. स्ट्रेंजर सीक्रेट लगा लिया, अफर्मेशन करना शुरू किया और कॉन्शियस रहो. अरे ये देखो ये आ गया. मान के चलो तुम्हारे ड्रीम पे कोई आया है जलाने के लिए और वो इस फॉर्म में आया है. यू हैव टू बी कमिटेड. नो 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 आई एम नॉट गोइंग. थैंक यू. नो मैं तो बोलती हूँ उसको थैंक यू भी मत बोलो. जस्ट शिफ्ट इट.
हाँ, ये बात सही बोली. थैंक यू मत बोलो भाई,
विद योर
सच में.
अफर्मेशन
थैंक यू के
गो
लाइक भी
एंड
नहीं
डू
है.
समथिंग.
और थैंक यू के
तेरे को
लाइक भी
थैंक
नहीं
यू
है.
नहीं बोल.
उसको ना साइड चलो अभी, चल साइड साइड हो जाए अभी.
वो कहते हैं ना कि अपने ड्राइविंग सीट पे मत बैठाओ इन सब चीजों को, नेगेटिव चैटर्स को. लेट देम बी इन द बैक सीट.
Very nice.
नेचुरल डेज कौन है ये? मेरे को नाम तो बता दो. आई डोंट लाइक कॉलिंग यू नेचुरल डेज वेलनेस. आर यू देयर विद अस? Vanita ji,
Karishma, now I'd like to go. I'm going for somewhere, so I will be listening, but I won't be able to reply because the road की आवाज भी आएंगी. मेरे
okay,
को थोड़ा जाना है, कोई गेस्ट आ रहा है, तो I have to take some groceries and all.
okay.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
listening, but I won't be able to reply because I don't want to disturb the class.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Thank you for the insights that you have given so far.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I do have also some plan. I'll share later. Okay.
ठीक है. All right. Vanita ji, do you want to share anything on this? The inner chatter?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Develop a positive mental attitude. In Martin Seligman's 22-year study at the University of Pennsylvania, summarized in his book Learned Optimism, he determined that optimism is the most important quality you can develop for personal and professional success and happiness. Optimistic people seem to be more effective in almost every area of the life. It turns out that optimists have three special behaviors, all learned through practice and repetition. First, optimists look for the good in every situation. No matter what goes wrong, they always look for something good or beneficial. And not surprisingly, they always seem to find it. Second, optimists always seek the valuable lesson in every setback or difficulty. They believe that difficulties come not to obstruct, but to instruct. They believe that each setback or obstacle contains a valuable lesson they can learn and grow from, and they are determined to find it. And third, optimists always look for the solution to every problem. Instead of blaming and complaining when things go wrong, they become action-oriented. They ask questions like, what's the solution? What can we do now? What's the next step? Third, optimists think and talk continually about their goals. ये fourth होना चाहिए. They think about what they want and how to get it most of the time. They think and talk about the future and where they are going rather than the past and where they have come from. They are always looking forward rather than backward. When you continually visualize your goals and ideals and talk to yourself in a positive way, you feel more focused and energized. You feel more confident and creative. You experience a greater sense of control and personal power. And the more positive and motivated you feel, the more eager you are to get started and the more determined you are to keep going. All right. Any shares on that? Jyoti ji, jate jate बोलना है कुछ?
I was moving, so I thought I should add first of all, right?
Yes.
Here I would like to say, become reverse paranoid. Okay? Reverse paranoid means कितना भी बुरा हो जाए, कितना भी मौत ही किसी की ना हो जाए. I'm so sorry for, I'm so brutal here. आपको ये ढूंढना है what is best into this, the main thing, right? Because when you will become a reverse paranoid, you will get solution. और जब थोड़ा सा भी आप अपने आप को विक्टिम मोड दे देते हो और फिर मी तो फिर आप ब्लेम कंप्लेन क्रिटिसिज्म में लगे रहते हो, जस्टिफाई करते रहते हो, कुछ होता जाता नहीं है. बट द मोमेंट वी टेक द 100% control of the situation, you see things starts getting changed. Now, Karishma, go ahead.
Wonderful. Thank you, Jyoti. It is very rightly said. All the challenges, all the setbacks, all the failures, whatever they are, they're always there to teach us something. They are always there to give us a lesson, and we must find solutions to it. हम अगर ये सोच के बैठ जाएंगे कि अरे ये तो हो गया, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, we won't be able to move ahead, right? और हमको चाहिए कि उस समय we become a solution oriented mindset उस समय हमारा आए. आता नहीं है, it is difficult. I know Abdullah is going to say that. I know it now. By now I know him. So Abdullah is going to say कि नहीं आता, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. But then जब हम feel कर रहे हैं, feel it, acknowledge it. After some time, when you are at little peace, think of the solution. That is what I want to add. Let's hear it from you, Abdullah. We are very happy.
I agree with this. I agree with this. It happens. बिल्कुल सही बात है, क्योंकि कल ही हुआ है. When the intense situation comes up, तो उस समय पे ना we are not able to think clearly. But exactly उसी situation को 15-20 मिनट बाद भी देखोगे ना, तो चीजें बिल्कुल बदल के दिखती हैं. It was. I totally agree.
And here I would like to add one more thing. If we are angry or we are not able to take decision और बहुत impulsive हो रहा है, तो please be silent. थोड़े टाइम के लिए मान लो मुंह पे टेप लगा है, मेरे को बोलना अलाउड नहीं है, ठीक है ना, अंदर जाओ. और उसमें भी बेस्ट थिंग मैं बोलूंगी, इन वॉट एवर डेटी यू बिलीव, वॉट एवर मंत्रा यू बिलीव, राइट, उस पावर को याद करो एंड आस्क फॉर गाइडेंस. प्लीज गाइड मी, प्लीज शो मी द पाथ, आई नीड योर गाइडेंस.
Wow.
And sit for, and I'll say meditate for, if possible, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. I'm not taking about half an hour, 1 hour. And when you will wake up, then whatever intuitions comes from you, go with that.
Wonderful.
You will be quite correct
तो
in that.
solution पक्का आएगा. It's going to come.
Pakka. Pakka.
Wow. Let's hear it from you, Ankita.
I
Where?
agree with the point that you said, that it is tough situations come, they're teaching us a lesson. There are situations, कईयों की life में होता है कि those situations come again and again and again because we still haven't learned our lessons.
Absolutely.
And be it relationships, be it health, be it jobs, and career is a big thing, and we don't understand that. And वो irritation होता है. We need to be quiet. We need to let go of it. And then where I think now I have understood, if something happens repeatedly, that I firstly have not understood my lesson. I haven't taken my lesson. Secondly, I have also started changing my thought or story to it, that there's something better in store for me, or there's something that I need to do more and it'll be for good. And I look for, I'm just too positive that time, and I'm just looking for, my positivity comes in not immediately, thoda time lagta hai. I'm not God, तो थोड़ा लगता है कि आता है, but I take it head on with positivity, with not ab kya. So that I have worked on with myself, and I think it really helped me.
Wow, wonderful. मुस्कान आई है रूम में और मुस्कान शोर मचा रही है छोटे बच्चों के जैसे, मैं आ गई हूँ, मेरी भी सुन लो कोई. Let's hear it from you, Muskan.
I want to share my win. Day before you have given me a challenge, webinar की स्क्रिप्ट बनाओ, वो बन गई थी उसी दिन. इस डर के कारण कहीं 10,000 रुपए आपके अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर ना करने पड़ जाए. एंड देन रात को 11:45 पे वो बोल भी देते वेबिनार लॉन्च. टुडे आई डिड द ड्राई रन एंड टुडे आई मेड 2 sales.
Wonderful, congratulations.
अदरवाइज वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट होते होते ये मनी भी प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट हो जाती है.
Wow.
It was a beautiful gift to me from your side.
Wow. Thank you. God bless you. And thank you for making me a channel for that.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to share हमारे उस रूम में हुआ क्या था with the people, because there are so many new faces here. Would you like to share?
मैं पिछले एक महीने से आई विश 29 दिसंबर से आई वाज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग मेकिंग माय वेबिनार स्क्रिप्ट. आई एम अ कोच, आई एम एन एलपी एक्सपर्ट, एंड माय कोच हैज सेड टू मेक द वेबिनार एंड लॉन्च इट एंड रन द एड्स. But the challenge which was coming was to make the PPT. We were reading the book Eat the Frog by Brian Tracy. अचानक से she said कि कौन सा challenge किसको आ रहा है सभी बताओ, and she has given us what we say एक what we say, accountability, I will say, or I will say danda on the head. If you will not do it, you have to kind of get the punishment. And मैंने challenge ले लिया. I was like, can I walk away from the session right now? It was 2:15 and session 3 बजे तक चलना था because PPT कौन जाएगा? The moment I was making PPT, I was feeling so much pains inside. इतना ज़्यादा procrastinate कर दिया था. 1 महीना पूरा हो चुका था. But the same day, in the one day only, I made the PPT. Today, after 2 days of making PPT, I run the webinar and I made the 2 sales.
God.
So that was the power of kind of winning the procrastination.
Wow. Wonderful.
Congratulations, more power to you, Muskan.
Congratulations, big,
You
big
brought 20
congratulations.
in one selling that.
Congratulations, Muskan.
Thank you so much. And this book, Eat the Frog by Brian Tracy, is really, really powerful.
Absolutely. So
Thank you so much, Karishma ma'am, for giving me that challenge. You was on a different energy that day, and the energy in the book reading club is very magnetic, very what we say infectious. It kind of make us our work done.
Thank you so much. Acha, Muskan, by the way, we are talking about developing a positive mindset, this mental attitude wherein we have to find whatever obstacles and all comes in our life. How do you deal with it? How to find a positive edge to it? That is what we have been discussing so far. So would you like to add something on that?
Positive mindset. The simple formula which I used today while going to the webinar. मेरी script तो तैयार थी, but मैंने को उसको कितनी बार तैयारी करनी है, मेरे को इसके बारे में वो था. तो I just tell to myself, I start now, and I'll become good on the way. बस यही एक line बोल के मैं चली गई थी.
That's great. That's amazing. But what about the areas जब हमारे लाइफ में कुछ स्ट्रगल आ जाते हैं, कुछ फेलियर्स आ जाते हैं, कुछ नेगेटिव happens in our life, तब Brian Tracy has shared few things, that is optimists look for good in every situation. He says optimists always look for the solution in every problem, and he also said that optimists look for valuable lesson in every setback or difficulty. And fourth, he said optimists think and talk continually about their goals, future visualization, and ideas के बारे में बात करते हैं. Would you like to share anything beyond that? Around that?
When this book was started, Eat the Frog, the first chapter, you made me do one introspection exercise. Of 14 questions. I was sitting with paper and pen and doing that exercise. And that was also game changer because the moment I was doing that exercise, so many things were opened in my mind which I was not even aware of. And in that one thing, it was also written that failures will come in the path of success. And अभी कल परसों ही you said कि 7 बारी fail होना पड़ेगा to become successful.
Fail नहीं होना पड़ेगा, no सुनना पड़ेगा.
No सुनना पड़ेगा, rejections लाने. हाँ.
You have the first yes. But आपको तो पहली बारी में मिल गए 2 yes वो भी. Congratulations once again. All right, anybody wants to share anything else? Renu, would you like to share something on this?
Yes, I'm super duper optimistic person.
Wow.
Actually, I feel कि I think मुझे बनाया या I've taken birth because of that only. कि yes, you will get negativity only, and but that time you have to play optimistic. कि what lessons you have to learn, one, and what means what purpose you are here on earth. That I'm pondering and doing that also as a coach, self-love coach is that only. But what I was doing yesterday only, I got aware in that our book reading club, courage to be disliked, right? So I was thinking I was working on external factors and external people. I was least doing my inner work. Because there now also I got my answer. Here only I am hindering myself. My growth is stuck there. Because I am not working on my inner dialogue.
Wonderful. Great
insight. Great insight today I got. I have to work on my inner dialogue because I am very optimistic outside. So how to play for myself, this thing. Means external negativity is coming, I'm playing, but I'm getting tired on that. Why? Because I'm not working inside to strengthen myself physically and mentally. I have to work on that.
Wow.
Yes, thank you.
I'm
Everyone
glad
in the
I am glad
yes,
that you got an answer from this room.
yes, yesterday also and today also.
Same
I
answer.
was missing.
Same
Yes,
answer. You have to think about the answer is also the same only. That you have to
yes,
focus on your inner self.
yes, yes.
So
Because you cannot control na, outer things. You have to control you and your inner.
absolutely.
Dialogue also and inner, waves also going up and down. That
We have
also.
Devasmita and Mona also in the room. Would you like, any of you would like to share your perspectives on this?
Yeah, just sharing. Actually, I'm just having my lunch also. Sorry for that. Yeah, it is procrastination is something which always stops me. Whereas as Abdullah has spoke about the high ticket, he has given us a very good knowledge on this. Yeah, so that was still I'm just procrastinating. This people will buy or not, and then suddenly certain things comes. Okay, yesterday again I was rewinding his video because he has already shared the recording. So once I was just listening to it, then I thought, let me go through this. So I just prepared my offer. I'll post it today. Let's see how it works.
Wow.
So yeah. So because my subject is into hypnosis and neurolinguistic programming,
Okay.
so a little people have a different myth regarding hypnosis.
Yes.
So regarding this, when I'm just putting this to the corporate world, a little procrastination comes, self-doubt comes, even say imposter syndromes comes. In my case, that whether I'm charging, whether it is is I am eligible to for this particular thing or not. So now I'm just trying. I'm not trying. There is no word for trying. Either do it or do not. So I'm just doing. I will be. I already made my offer today. Let me go through this. Let me see how it works. Thank you so much for asking, actually, and thank you so much for Abdullah's beautiful, powerful sessions and your session as well. Yeah.
Devasmita, what I want to ask you is, do you believe in your product?
Yes.
Are you sure 100% that it is going to give the result?
Yeah, it is already it is giving result, but I'm charging very less. So I already trained two CHRO till now and one ABP.
Okay.
So whatever I charged from them, this imposter syndrome is killing me. So I have charged very less nominal because they got the result. Now is the time to ask for the high ticket.
और वैसे भी वो कहते हैं ना कि एक दो बार आपने जब रन कर लिया एंड यू नो दैट इट इज गिविंग रिजल्ट्स, यू गेन अ लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर प्रोडक्ट एज वेल. तो फिर तो पट्टे चक दो ना. अब्दुल्ला ने इतना अच्छा सिखाया है. Massive success your way. Let's hear it from Mona. Mona, do you have anything to share?
Hi, I joined the session a bit late, so I'm not very sure what I have missed about. But then, yes, I have been attending the sessions that were conducted in this group, and the discussions that were going on. What I came to know was like we have to share our maybe how we had procrastinated earlier, and now what are you working on. So yes, I have sat on very good ideas last year, and I have not played 100% lot many times. And it was in December that I decided that it is the time now to take action. And the first thing that I did was that I registered for MMI. And I broke this, like I wrote on the stick, which was about breaking the barrier of not playing 100%. And I've already started working, like in the December only, I've started working on setting up my systems because I had worked on the product. The product was too good, but I was just thinking. But now I've started working. So the energy in the group is really good. And I do attend Abdullah's session that he took on high ticket. And somehow Siddharth has also started 1 crore challenge. And yeah, I got a lot of insights from Abdullah's sessions, and I have already noted down the points. and I'm working on them without thinking. I'll just, make my L3 and I'll just launch it. So
Wow.
thank you everyone for taking beautiful sessions, sharing your experiences, because that matters a lot. And the encouragement that Abdullah gives every time that you can do it, it's really simple. You have to just give it a try, and that really helps. Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful. All right. Before the chapter ends, Brian Tracy always gives 2 points that we must reflect on. And here, today we have point number 1, which says control your thoughts. Remember, you become what you think about most of the time. Be sure that you are thinking and talking about the things you want rather than things you do not want. Point number 2 says, keep your mind positive by accepting complete responsibility of yourself and for everything that happens to you. Refuse to criticize, complain, or blame others for anything. Resolve to make progress rather than excuses. Keep your thoughts and your energy focused forward on the things you can do right now to improve your life and let the rest go. All right. I samajh. Shall we work on it? Can we work on it? Keeping our mind positive at all times. Refusing to criticize, crib, blame people.
I have one example for this of refusing to criticize and complain. I was wearing the rubber band, the simple wali rubber band. And the moment I did that, I did it because I was feeling lack inside. I was just put the rubber band thinking कि जहाँ जहाँ पे मेरे को lack feel होगा, abundance नहीं feel होगा, I'm going to do like this. For this, I have put the rubber band. And मेरे को lack कहाँ पे feel हो रहा था कि मेरे को ऐप का सिस्टम बनाने के लिए कोई पर्सन चाहिए. And the moment I did that, ना वो सच्ची में इतना पेन हुआ था मेरे को, इतना ज्यादा पेन हुआ था, मैंने पहले तो रबर बैंड निकाल के फेंकी.
So this happened in MMI as well. We were given a wristband wherein जितनी बार हम कुछ भी limiting belief around money को सोचेंगे, we have to pull it and leave it, and it will hurt us, and then we have to kiss ourselves कि अरे नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. And it was such a beautiful activity that Muskan, you can tell your wrist that this is something that has a solution to it, right? And you can
The moment I did that ना, I went to my first floor of the home and मैंने वहां से एक डायरी निकाली, नई डायरी. मैंने कहा अब मैं इसका सारा काम अकेले करने वाली हूँ और शुरू से करने वाली हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द कोर्सेज.
okay.
Going to write. So the moment I did that, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत आसान हो गया था करना. नाउ आई एम हैविंग रिपोर्ट ऑफ फ्रॉम 25 जनवरी टिल डेट कि मैंने 5 दिन में क्या प्रोग्रेस करी है. इट इज मैसिव प्रोग्रेस.
Wow. Amazing.
Good.
Good.
पेन अभी भी याद है.
So that is why they say that you should have a victory log जिसके अंदर आप हर रोज की 3 wins जरूर लिखो, so that it keeps you motivated, it keeps you going as well.
Also so powerful. I have never done this.
Try doing it.
I have made goal journals. I have never made win wali diary. I'll do this today.
तो जहाँ पे so you will be having a diary. उसके अंदर goals लिखो, affirmations लिखो, gratitude लिखो, and wins of the day लिखो. And then the fourth thing, one more thing that you can add is, how can I make my tomorrow even more productive? Right? What is it that I can improve in myself for tomorrow? When you reflect on such questions, a lot happens inside of you as well. All right. Thank you guys for joining in, sharing your perspectives, sharing your wins. And I am blessed to have each one of you in this room. And see you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Aaj Friday hai. So Saturday, Sunday will be the weekend book reading club. And we will be seeing to read this book on Monday. So see you all on Monday. God bless you. Have an amazing weekend. Enjoy your time and stay blessed. Bye bye.